So, Anant, we are gonna today just discuss a cool base system, Hello?
Yes, yes. Am I audible?
Yeah, clear, loud and clear. So, do you know, like, in the usual way, we write number as 1, 2, 3, like the digits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, there are usually 10 digits. Like, we write
Yep.
729. So, it's obvious to us by now. It's 700 plus 20 plus 9. So, in our way of writing, any number can be represented by this 10, no, 10 digits, right? Zero also.
Yep, yep.
Like 900 or 100, or 100 900. So we don't need any else number. So,
Better write it at 7 into 10 to the power 2 and 2 into 10 to the power 1 and 9 into 10 to the power 0. So it
yeah,
will be more clear that it is in base 10. That's
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
thing.
Yeah, I just want to give introduction. That's nothing. So, yeah. So if we write something as tens powers, 0, 1,
Yep,
2. So it's like a number in base 10 which we use in our day-to-day life.
yep.
So if someone asks you your price like a bill of 1500, ask if they are asking in base 10 or base 5. Just ask them; they will be annoyed. No? So yeah, we use our day-to-day number in base 10. Why base 10?
Base
Do you
10.
have any idea?
Yeah, actually, it's kind of nice thing. Uh, we use base 10 because we have 10 fingers. Think about it.
Okay.
Nice. And like when we'll start counting again, then we'll have 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 4, and so on.
Okay. So
If
it's
it is
like
not clear, then let's take a example where if we had four fingers, four in each hand, like four in each, total eight.
hmm,
Then we had to start like then again 8 plus 1, then 8 plus 2, 8 plus 3,
Acha,
and
so
so on.
yeah, so they are written in powers of 8.
Yep.
8 into 1 plus 3.
Yep. Like how
Yeah.
we written that thing. Like 8 into 8, 8 to the
8
power 0.
power 8 power 1 plus 3 into 8 power 0 is
Yep.
just as 8
That
plus
thing.
3.
Like how we wrote that 10 thing, that 10 to the power 2, something into 10 to the power 2 plus 10, something into 10 to the
Mhm.
power 1 plus 10 to the power 0.
So
That's the thing.
I see you are familiar with base system. So can you convert this into R decimal base? Decimal is just base 10. So convert this.
Wait, is it 9 or 4?
944. You can use calculator if you want. Just want the
Oh,
answer.
wait.
So you just tell the answer. I'm just telling what it does it mean. It just simply means 1
Uh,
into 4 0 plus 3 into 4 1 plus 1 into 4 2 plus 2 into 4 3 plus 1 into 4 4 plus 0 into 4 5 plus 1 into 4 6 plus 1 into 4 7 plus 0 into 4 8 plus 1 into 4 9. It is written in base 10. We usually like if we write is 781. in base 10, it just is 1 into 10, 0, plus 1 into 10 power 1, 8, sorry, and 7 into 10 power 0, 2. It's 700 plus 80 plus 1. So we did the same for this base. If it's for 4, and Ananth will be telling the answer of this in base 10 soon. So it's just a small thing of bases. Like if we have A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 till AN digits. They're not multiplied, they are digits to the
I was
base.
confused in the calculation, so I think the answer is not coming.
You can do it, take your time.
It's
I'm
a,
just explaining
it's a
base.
big number. So
I said, okay, don't do that. Just do 10110001 in base 2 into decimal. Okay.
okay, that's
So the thing for bases, it's just like if they are n digits here, just like here. So it is a1 into k power n minus 1 plus a2 into k power n minus 2 plus a3 into k power n minus 3 till an into k power n minus n, which is just simply a. This term is just an only. So it is the same thing, but it's a generalization of what our base system means. So yeah, now if we convert 10110001 in base
is
2,
it 89?
00,
Like,
let's see.
let's see.
So it has
It's
one,
coming up.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 digits. So we write if n is 7 here. So we write 1 into 2 power 7 minus 1, which is 1 into 2 power 6 plus 0 into 2 power 5 plus 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1
Wait,
into
is
2
it
power.
4?
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
No,
6,
no,
7.
no. It is. It is. Yep, yep, yep.
So 0, 1, 2, 6, 5,
Wait, we
4.
have 7 digits, so we have to start with 2 to the power 6.
So yeah, I just started with 2 to the power 6 only. 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power
I
3,
thought that I
2,
was doing calculation. Started
1, 4, sorry,
watching.
2 to the power 0. So yeah,
Nice, nice.
the generalization form I wrote here, if you have n digits and a1 to an, you just write a1 into kn minus 1 plus a2 into kn minus 2 till an into kn minus n. So we just did the same here. It's just the same thing. We have n is 7 and base is 2. And these are a1, a2, a3 till a7. So it is 2 power 6, which is 64 plus 0 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. It's 64 plus 24 plus 1, which is 89. So
It is
yeah, Anant
89.
was correct. Now, this is the basics of base system. The basics. Acha, Anant, I just want to ask you one question. How do you add two numbers in base 10?
Just like simply,
Simply
we
add.
don't even have to
Simply
write.
add.
Like we can just add it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like if it is
This normal
4,
addition.
then 2 plus 2. Yeah, that's normal addition. What we have done in uh, smaller
Acha,
classes.
add this. Well, how you add? Just tell the people how you add this.
We go to like 7. We
Hmm.
add 5, 7 to 5. We
Hmm.
go till 10. Then we take 2 that we cannot fit in that 10 thing. We
Acha,
take that 2 to the other thing,
it is
other.
just, acha, 7 plus 5 gives you 12, right?
Yep, yep,
And it is just 10 into 1 plus 2, right?
yep.
So we
That's
write
what I
2
was.
here and we carry 1 here, right?
Yep,
Now 9 plus 2 plus 1 gives you 12. Again,
yep. Again,
it's
that's
just
the same thing.
10
So,
into 1 plus 2. So you write 2 here, then carry 1 here. Now 2
yep,
plus 1 plus 1 is just 4 which is 10 into 0 plus 4, right?
Yep.
So you write 4 and carry 0, and carry 0 means it's just 422,
Yep.
nice.
Yep.
So
Yep. That's
now it's for base 10, which we use blindly because that's the most common base in
Can
on
you
our
like
earth.
elaborate the thing for other bases, like for
Yeah,
any
yeah, yeah.
bases?
Come.
Yep.
Just give
Yep.
me two three-digit number and a random base.
Let's take the base at 7 and
Okay.
what number? 233
Hmm.
and 485.
8 कैसे, like, if it is base
Oh,
7,
sorry.
digits can be 0,
Sorry.
1, 2 till
Sorry.
6. Yeah, yeah.
Uh, let's take 435.
Now, what is 5 plus 3?
It is 8. So
Which can be written as 7 into 1 plus 1.
7 into 1 plus 1.
So, you write 1 here and carry 1 here. Now, what is 3 plus 3 plus 1,
It is 7.
which is written as 7
7 into 0
into
plus
1
0.
plus 0,
Oh, sorry.
right?
7 plus 1 plus 0. Yep.
Right?
So we have to write 0 and
And carry 1. Now, what is 4 plus 2 plus 1,
4 to 6. It's again 7.
which is right 7 into 1 plus 0, right?
Yep.
So, we write 0 and carry 1. So, it's 1001. Let's verify this also. Let's
Yep.
verify. What is 233 base 7? It's 3 plus 3 into 7 plus 2 into 49, right?
Yep. Yep.
So what is this? One 122. Okay.
Hmm.
What is 435 in base 7?
Let's write it. I think you should first tell how to convert bases. Like, not general, but you should take some examples that in which it will be more clear.
437 base 7. No, 435 actually. It's 435. So 435. Here the base is 7 and n is 3. So we write 4 into what the base is into n minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, which is 2. You just start it from backwards. That's more simple. 5 into 7 power 0 plus 3 into 7 power 1 plus 4 into 7 power 2. Just goes from 0, 1 and 2. Got it?
Yep. Yep.
Which is 5 plus 7 3 is 21 plus 49 into 4, 196. Got it?
Yep.
Which is 26 plus 196, which is 222. Right? Now similarly 233 base 7 is start from the end. 3 into 7 power 0 plus 3 into 7 power 1 plus 2 into 7 power 2, which is 98 plus 21 plus 3. It is 24 plus 98, which is 122, right? Hello.
Yep. Yep.
So what is the addition? In base 10, 344.
Yep.
Now let's convert this thing.
And
1001 base 7, which is right 1 into 7 power 0 plus 0 into 7 power 1 plus 0 into 7 power 2 plus 1 into 7 power 3. Since we know 7 power 3 is 343 plus
3.
0 plus 0 plus 1, which is 344.
That's great.
Yeah,
And I think that's the answer. Like, that's the verification.
yeah. So let's
Yep.
add some cool stuff right now, like big numbers. In base, let's assume now to be base 4. Okay.
Okay.
So you know how labor work it has reduced, not to convert to base 10, just you can simply add it directly.
Yep. Yep.
So let's take a base for example, 2 3 1 1 3 2 plus 3 2 2 2 1 3. Okay.
Yep.
Now for addition, 3 plus 2 is 5, which is 4 into 1 plus 1, right?
Yep.
So we write 1 here and carry 1 here. Now
Yep.
3
Yep.
plus 1 plus 1, which is again 5. So we will do the same thing. Now what is 2 plus 1 plus 1? 4.
4. So we'll take 0 and we'll carry 1 yet again.
Again 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4, 0 and carry 1 again. Now I am at this step. Understand it? This is for this, this is for this, this is for this, and this is for this.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Now 3 plus 2 plus 1, it is 6, which is 4 into 1 plus 2, right?
Yep.
So it's 2 and carry 1 here. Now 3 plus 2 plus 1, again 6, which is 4 into 1 plus 2. So 2 and carry 1 here. So the answer
1.
coming 122001 in base 4. Got it?
Yep. Yep.
Now let's do some practice problems. Actually, only one. What is this? Tell me.
Wait. 728 564. Here. How much? 3. Then 1. 2 6 8. It will give 1. Oh, it is in base 9. Is it 1303?
Let's see. 8 plus 4, which is 12, which is 9 into 1 plus 3, right?
Yep.
So we carry, well, we write the remainder here and like just we usually normal addition and we carry 1 here. Now 6 plus 2 plus 1, which is again 9, which is 3. Now 7 plus 5 plus 1, this is 13. 13 is 9 into 1 plus 4.
Wait.
So
You
what
write
happened?
3. You wrote 3. 2 plus 6 plus 1.
2 plus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry, it's base 9. Sorry.
Yep.
It's
Yep.
0 0 0. Forgot that.
Yep.
I got confused. So
Problem.
it's 0 and 1. Now, what it is it fine, right? Yeah. So 7 plus 5 plus 1, which is 13, which is 9 into 1 plus 4. So we write 4 here and 1403, right?
Yep. Yep.
So yeah. Now let's go on subtraction. What you will think for subtracting this number? Anand, tell me.
Is it 188?
It's base 10, base 10. Normal.
Okay. It's base 10.
How do you
So like,
subtract these kinds of number? What you have taught in elementary or the junior school?
we can write like if we have to subtract like 7 by 8, we can't do it. We take something from the other one.
You take,
Actually, we take 10 to the power 1. That's
yeah, you got my
because it
idea.
is in base. Yep,
So
because it is in base 10, so we take
you just
10.
add 10 here and subtract 10 from here.
Yep. Yep.
So now the question is, you got the basic division, right?
Yep.
Let's see, it's base 4. Now since 1 is less than 3, the upper and the lower part, so in if it was base 10, we would have added 10 here and subtracted my negative 1. Why? Because
Yep, yep.
if you are adding 10 here, like 22, if you add 10, it's 32. And if you subtract 10, it's 12. You see,
It's
this
7
number
22.
has gone minus 1. And when you
Yep,
add, this becomes plus 1, the tens place.
yep, yep.
So if it's base 4 and it's 1, and 1 is, of course, more than 3. So should we add 10 or should we add 4?
Of course, we should add 4 because it is in base 4.
Yeah. So if we add 4 here, then we have to subtract this, means we will become 1. Now if we add 4 here, what is 4 plus 1 minus 3?
It is 2.
2. So 2
Can
is
be,
just 4 into 0 plus 2,
can
right?
be in base 2. Take base
Yeah,
4.
yeah. So now it has given its one member 4, then it has itself reduced to 1, right?
Yep,
Now 1 is of course again smaller than 3, so it will also give this one, the preceding member, and it will become 2. Now if it
yep,
gives 4, then 4 plus 1 minus 3 again becomes 2, right?
yep, yep.
Because it is 4 into 0 plus 2. And 2 minus 2, 0. So answer is 22. Let's verify this. You just tell me what are these in base 4 and just tell what is the answer in base 4. Just first convert to base 10.
First one is 57 and the second one is 47.
57 and 47, right?
Yep, yep,
So what is their subtraction? 10.
yep.
Now what is this 22 in base 4?
It is 10, of course.
So hence verified, like it's the same thing we have done in base 4, right?
Yeah.
Now you can subtract these numbers in base 8. Just tell the answer.
Wait. 7 2 5 2 6 6. It is 7. Yep, it is 3. 6. Wait. Is it 437?
Okay, we will see. And the answer is 437. Now, since 5 is less than 6 and it's base 8, so unlike adding 10 to it, we will add 8. So 8 plus 5 gives us 13, and 13 minus 6 is 7. And 7 is just 8 into 0 plus 7. So 7 here and 0 carried here. Now it has reduced to 1 because it has given 8 here. So 1 plus 6 is 7. And we can't do that right now because 1 is smaller than 6. So it will give 8 here and it will itself reduce to 6. Now 8 plus 1 minus 6 is just 9 minus 6, which is 3. Now 3 is written as 7 into 0 plus 3. So we are writing 3 here and carrying 0 here. Now 6 is greater than 2, so there is no ambiguity. Now 0 plus 6 is 6 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So we are getting 437 base 8. So you get the point, Anand, right? Like it's
Yep.
approachable how we got this answer and you understood it, right?
Yep. Yep.
So let's move on to multiplication. And I will leave it till here. I want you to discover the division one.
Okay.
Let's move on to multiplication. Uh, Multiply these two number in base 10. They are in base 10. And how you multiply it, show it here. How you multiply this number, show it here. Yep. Nice.
Okay. We can write like this is like this. Okay. Oh,
No,
uh,
no, I am not trying. I'm not here to try to complicate things. I'm just here to simplify. Just do normal multiplication through the table that we have learned. Now, which we do always like intuitively. The cross method, yeah.
yeah, we like multiply 2 into 2 will give 4.
Mhm. Mhm.
7 into 2, which will give 14. Okay. Then we multiply like 2 into 1, that's 1, and 7 into 1, that is 7. And then we add this, this, this. That's
860, right?
okay. Yeah.
Now, 72 into 12. Let's see the working. 2 twos are 4. Okay. 2 sevens are 14. Now, 14 is what? 10 into 1 plus 4.
Yep. Yep.
So we write 4 here and add 1 here, and there is nothing here, so it's 14. Got it?
Yep. Yep.
Now, 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 7. Add this, we get 4, 5, 6, 8, 64. No, nothing confusion right here, right?
No, it's
Now let's move on to a different base. Let's see, 5 to 4 into 25. Let's see, in base 6. Okay. Hello.
let me try this, then we'll
Yeah, yeah,
elaborate.
try this. Then I will tell the people how to do this
Yep.
and
Yep.
how easy it is.
Base 6. Okay. It is done.
Answer.
It is 18,832.
Let's see.
Yep.
Now we will go to algorithm by algorithm, step by step. Now 5 4 the 20. Now 20 is what? 6 into 3 plus 2, right?
Yep. Yep.
So we write 2 here and we get 3 here. Okay. Now, what is 5 twos are 10? Well, means 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13, right? 13 is 6 into 2 plus 1, right?
Oh yeah.
So
Yep.
1
Yep.
here, 2, and 2 here. 5 fives are 25 plus 2. It's 27. 27 is just 6 for the 24 plus 3. So 3 here and 4. There is nothing. So let's assume 0. So 5 zeros are 0 plus 4. 4. Got it?
Yep.
Now, your answer is incorrect. I will tell you why. Now,
Okay.
4 twos are 8, right?
Yep.
Now, let me do it different color. 4 twos are 8, and 8 is just 6 into 1 plus 2, right?
Yep.
Which is we write 2 here and carry 1 here. Okay?
Yep.
2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is 6 into 0 plus 5. So we write 5 here and carry 0 here. Okay?
Yep.
5 twos are 10 plus 0. 10 is 6 into 1 plus 4. Right?
Yep.
So we write 4 here and carry 1 here. Now there is nothing. So we write 1. This 2 into 0 plus 1, 1. Now we add it. 2, right?
Okay. Okay. I
3.
got it. I got
Yeah,
it. Where I
because
made.
in base 6, the number
How
cannot
can we
be
take
8.
eight? Eight. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
nice.
So
That's very
5,
nice.
5 plus 3 is 8, which is again 6 into 1 plus 2. So we write 2 here and carry 1 here. 4 plus 4
Oh yeah.
is 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is 6 into 1 plus 3. So we write 3 here and carry 1 here. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer is 2, 3, 2, 3, 2.
Oh
Base
yeah. I
6.
got it. I got it. I got it.
So now you got intuition what base is, right? How you
Yep.
add,
Yep.
subtract, multiply in
Yep.
base.
Yep.
So any question?
No, like it's fine. And
Hmm.
thanks for like teaching me this thing because I was not aware of this base system that much.
Hmm.
Thanks.
Yeah, yeah. So it's like if you had 6 fingers, you will do the same thing, but in base 6.
Yep. Yep.
Because the whole thing from 10 would shift to 6. Like
Yep.
the algorithm for adding 10 will just be adding 6. Find the remainder of 10 will be finding remainder of 6. So yeah, it's like that. So now I think you got to know a thing or two about base system.
Yep.
So let's end our session here. Base system is
Okay.
completed. But yeah, I want to give a task. Go find division for yourself
Yeah, I will. I will.
because that's also more interesting. So
Yep.
I hope you all got some intuition about base system and all. Mainly in computers, binary base system are used because they want to indicate true or false, like
Oh
it
yeah.
is yes or
Only
no,
like we
and
have only two things to
yeah,
enter for
yeah, two entries,
that.
1 or 0.
Yep. Yep.
And some rules like a base 6 can have numbers 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but not 6 because it's just 0 only. Equivalent means the remainders.
That's. Can we say is it like the same thing as residue system
Yeah,
that we
yeah, yeah.
discussed class one?
That's why I wrote remainder here. It can give
Yep.
remainder
Yep.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. It cannot give remainder 6, which is just as 0. Okay?
Which like we saw that it will be 0 mod 6 actually.
Yeah, yeah.
The big system.
So, I hope you get a little good, learn to little good stuff. So let's meet you in the next class.
Okay.
Yeah, discussion, not class. We are both.
Yeah.
That's good. So let's bye, bye, bro.
Goodbye.